Hello YouTube, the Fisher King 17 back on YouTube, coming to you with a review on my new $40 drone that I got from Amazon. This is a beginner drone, so I'm just getting into the drone game, trying to learn how to fly a drone. This is the Syma X5 SWV3 Wi-Fi edition, so it will connect to your phone and you can take videos from there. I took the liberty of unboxing before the video started. For time's sake, it comes with this little screwdriver. You're gonna have to screw in all the parts. Nothing too hard. Here's the drone. Comes with a 2 megapixel camera. Not the greatest quality, but it does work for viewing where your drone is at and what it is seeing. Then you have the battery pack compartment where you plug it in and to power the drone. Comes with a 3.7 volt battery pack, lasts about maybe 10 minutes. Then we have the charger, and then finally the controller. I will first show you how to connect your drone to your controller. First you take the battery pack, plug that into the drone and put that into the drone battery compartment. Close the latch, and you're going to click the on button. You'll see this starts to blink. Click the on button for here. Then we're going to go up, and then both sticks down at the same time. So now we have connected, and now I'll just test. Download the app in the manual. Go over to settings. Click on the FPV Wi-Fi and make sure you're connected. Go back to the app. Click start. And you should be able to see what your drone sees. As you can tell in this video, the quality of the camera is not very great, but it is still pretty good for a $40 drone. I was able to fly this drone up to 300 feet in the air and get some pretty good aerial footage. After practice with the drone, I was able to keep it pretty stable in the sky. After reading the manual, I was able to do flips. It made navigating the drone a lot more fun. The camera is very bad, but this drone is still super fun to play with. I will leave a link in the description below, and I look forward to bringing you new content soon.